Cheryl Janine, back with day 7 of our 30-day blueprint to starting your business. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe so you can get notified when I do more videos. Now, today's the day right before we get into websites and stuff, so I want you to find a good email autoresponder service. Now, this is going to help you continue to communicate with your target audience, so you capture their names, their email addresses. That way, you'll have direct communication with them when you want to market your services and products. So people usually use reputable sites like Aweber, there's GetResponse, there's ConvertKit, things like that. You can check out. Also, if you want to do something maybe for free at first, I think MailChimp, they still have it going on. They used to have it where you get like 1,000 or 2,000 subscribers for free, and then after that you would pay. So check out any one of those for a cost-effective way to find an autoresponder service, but that's what you need to do for today. And also, as a side note, you want to make sure they have good customer service. I used to use an autoresponder service that wasn't very popular, but they had great customer service and they made things really easy for me when I needed them to fix something, or I needed them to answer a question, or whatever the case was. So make sure you're finding a service that has great customer service. Now, I know this was short and sweet, but this is a very important part so that you can be prepared for when we start with websites. Now, this wraps up day 7. I will see you next time.